Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and today I would like to show you something that I've made. This is a top, sexy top with splits at the bottom and on the sleeve. This is a neckline, and this is another part of the sleeve. As you can see, it's here, and has got this amazing pattern called open work pattern. This is at the bottom. You can see the splits at the bottom, and here splits at the bottom. It was meant to be large on purpose because it's an open work pattern, and it will look absolutely stunning when you wear just a bra underneath, or maybe jeans on top, or jeans at the bottom, jeans like denim jeans, trousers. This is quite long. This top is quite long. This is the edge where I started. It has got holes in it so that it's good for breathing, making your skin breathe in the summertime. This is a summer top, so obviously, as you can see, it's open work and you can see through whatever you've got underneath. So if you wear like a bra, beige bra, something like a tan bra, it will also suit, as well as if you were to wear a different colored bra, like a black bra, and it will be visible but not so much, and it would be quite sexy. And as you can see, it's the edge. I've done it careful work in here, carefully. You can see through. You can see my hand here. It's white colored yarn made of cotton, 100% cotton, and it's white, but I think you can call it as a stone color or camel color, and it looks amazing. I love it so much. It's large, it's breathable, it's long, it's stretchy to a certain degree, and as you can see, it has been knitted nicely. I've washed it once already, so it's quite good. I'm going to wear it in my main channel, for my main channel, a video with this top on. I hope you can have a look later. It's definitely sexy and long and beautiful. I love the splits. It's stylish. It's fantastic. I love it so much. It's absolutely what I wanted. It's a simple knit. It's a simple square, so it's large. You can see the stitch here. It's almost invisible. It's large. It's just beautiful, and it's classic in color. It can go with any clothing you can wear. It's amazing. I just love it, and I cannot wait to wear it this summer. And I hope you like this top as much as I do. This is the inside out, which is also as beautiful. This is the front, this is the back. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and sending to you lots of love and peace, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.